everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have kind of a different type of a unboxing, but it's Splendies, but both of them arrived at the same time, both Halloween Splendies. I'm super stoked, guys, because I really hope my bat panties are in here. I wanted them last year. I didn't get them last year. I hope they're in these. Now, I'm just going to guess because I think this one might be the full back. We all know Splendies is like $14 and change per month. And you get 3 pairs of panties, either all full back, all thong, or a mix of both. I do one of each, but not the mix. I just do the thong and the all full back. And they always run a little small, so I always suggest sizing up one. Hey, enough. He's playing with a toy. Only when I go live. So, love it. We all know I absolutely adore the paper from Splendies. So, it's his 1-year birthday, and he has a new toy. Sorry, guys. So, let's dig in. This looks like Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. All right. Yay, this is my full back. So, let's see. Oh, it looks like they gave us completely all black, which I am okay with. Let's take a look at what we got. Oh, guys, these are so cute. I don't like the 8-legged creatures, but I love the print. And look at the web print. I can't say the word. Look at the web print. These have tons of stretch to them, and they are completely mesh, completely see-through. And they have, once again, that cute little print on them. Super cute. Next pair in the box, we have just a regular full back pair of the black with a little bit of lace on the front. Let's see if I can show you. Little scalloping down at the bottom there. Super stretchy once again. And then, these ones are probably my favorite. These are so cute. Look at them. They're so adorable. Absolutely love these. These are going to be my favorite. Love them. All right, moving fast because I am on break for lunch from work. Let's dig into the next. Now, we all know that the next one is going to be my thongs. Please be in here. Please be in here. Same wrapping paper. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, Splendies. This is year 2. Okay. I subscribed to 2 subscriptions from you guys. And all I wanted was the bat panties. And I still don't have the bat panties. I am so mad. I'm going to write to them and see if I can buy them. Because I really want my bat panties. Angry. Oh, yeah. See, I'm really angry. Because I really could have done away with these. Which are the same exact things. Just thong version of the webs. I'm mad. And these don't really remind me of Halloween. So where are my bats? I do like the little cutouts. These are super cute, but I want my bats. These don't remind me. These look like New Year's Eve panties. Seriously, Splendies. They're black and gold. I mean, they're cute, but they're not my bats. Okay. Splendies is going to get an email from me because I want my bats. Yeah. So those are my 2 unboxings. I'm not super thrilled. Every single thing in it was black, except for 1 pair, which was a blue, which doesn't really go with Halloween, and black and gold, which is more either Christmas or New Year's. I see more New Year's from it. And I got 2 basically of the same pattern, just one's a full back, one's a thong. So I'm definitely going to write to them because I really wanted those bats. But yeah, that's my Splendies. I'm probably only going to keep them through Christmas, guys. I have more than enough panties, and it's probably time to cut them loose. So I do love them, but I really wanted the bats, and we'll wait till Christmas, and then I'm probably going to call it done. We'll see. Depends on what they say about the bats. So that's my unboxing for the month of October in Splendies. I hope you guys enjoyed. I get to take this toy from him. It's going to drive me nuts. And until next time, guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Halloween. Hope you get to do something fun. I'm going to be Wednesday Addams, so maybe I'll jump on and like show everybody my costume for Halloween. And I'll see you guys later. If you have anything you'd like to send me, whether to be to review or just to send me, my address is down below. Please go ahead and send it to that address. And if you have any comments, please leave it down below as well. And I will talk to you later. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.